No one's gonna do it for you. Sad truth, no one's gonna do this for you. But we got the Crust boy right here. In Crust we trust. Cars are fun, cars are fun, cars are fun. This came out pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie to you. That wasn't that bad. I just plugged this guy with a spare yoke, zip tied it on, put it on the back hook, and when you have no front end, it makes it all possible. Right, kids? The world is yours. Serious about something here. I got the M18 stubby boy with the impact adapter and a 15/16, and we got this mild sludge pup here, and we're gonna see battery's 3/4. That was a good college try. This is not really a fair comparison, but we got the Gen 2 medium torque with the 8 high output on there. Yeah, I mean, that's what we were expecting. Okay. What I got here, my boy Brian Nutter, a bro among bros. While we work out this one, we got Krusty 48 here. He sent a cam and springs and an intake that hopefully will maximize this 48's potential. So that's what we're gonna put in. We're gonna disable the lifters and springs, pull out some stuff in the rockers, etc. We're gonna put this cam in upside down, as all the cool kids do. And we're gonna leave the oil pump and everything alone. Well, I guess I have to swap this pan and pickup tube on here, so we're not gonna leave it totally alone. But you understand what I mean. We're not touching this any more than we have to, and that's what we're gonna do. There's not much else to say but to do it. It is like 100 degrees in here, and that's motivation enough to be quiet and get it done and sweat your face off.